In this video, I'm going to show you the best places in Auckland, New Zealand, and also the islands right outside of Auckland. I had been traveling for the past 2 months and was now going on a flight from Fiji to Auckland. There are 2 islands in New Zealand, the North Island and the South Island. Auckland is located in the north part of the North Island, and the country of New Zealand is located southeast from Australia. In the middle of the city, you have the famous Sky Tower, which has a view of the city and of the smaller islands located outside the city. Some of the islands are Rangitutu, Motutapu, and Waiheke. Right next to the Sky Tower, you have Viaduct Harbour, with many million-dollar boats. On the opposite side of Viaduct Harbour, you have Queen's Wharf.
Here we have the Auckland Ferry Terminal, and this is where all the boats go out to all the islands outside Auckland.
The ferries depart every hour, and it will cost you around $40 for a day trip out to one of the islands. Between the Viaduct Harbour and Queen's Wharf, there are some really expensive apartments with a great view of the ocean. Auckland is the biggest city in all of New Zealand with 1.6 million people.
Behind me we have the famous Sky Tower and all the million-dollar boats lined up.
A walk through the Viaduct Harbour will allow you to see this multicultural city with many different cafes, restaurants, and interesting architecture close up. The weather is fairly cold and the summer is between December and March. A 20-minute boat ride will take you out to the Waiheke Island. On the way, you will pass by Rangitutu and Motutapu, which is why I recommend going to the island of Waiheke, because then you will see all 3. There are buses that take you all around the island.
This is Rocky Bay, a very nice and calm area in the south part of Waiheke Island.
This place is so untouched, with many different types of flowers and great scenery. Scientists believe that New Zealand was being formed about 540 million years ago by volcanic activity. The volcanoes are believed to have pushed out ash into the sea floor that hardened and is now underlaying most of New Zealand. There are so many different beaches all over New Zealand.
Here we have one of the famous beaches on the North Island of New Zealand.
The Unitangi Beach is a few kilometers long and is the most famous beach in the Auckland area. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.